Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best H3 LED bulb that you should buy. Let's get started. To begin with is the Cougar Motor H3 LED fog light. Cougar Motor H3 LED fog light bulbs are equipped with superior quality Cree LED chips and optical projector lens that will make your cars look much modern than halogen or stock lamp. Jam-packed LED chips on each bulb emit 1200 lumens white light, naturally light up the forward road. Special designed latest ASIC technology effectively extends the lifespan to over 60,000 hours. Cree XBD with 5000 K bright white lighting. Perfect heat dissipation. 6063 aviation aluminium housing acts as radiant heat sink, ensuring the secure temperature range. New LED technology reduces power consumption from 70% to 30%. Up next is the H3 Halogen Headlight Bulb with super white light. The headlight bulb has 55-watt power, about 1450 lumens and 5000 K color temperature. You can still see the road clearly in fog weather and rainy weather. Blue iron membrane filters yellow light and gets super white light. Sun white light can make the driver more comfortable, and our product uses anti-UV quartz glass because anti-UV quartz glass can prevent cracking the mirror, shade, spray and mercury-free. Our halogen headlight bulbs last twice as long as other headlight bulbs, about 600 hours. Luxury look, reliable quality with 1-year warranty guarantee for manufacturer quality. All new brown upgrade headlights are DOT compliant. The bulb have certification of CE and the manufacturer have ISO 9001 business certification. Third up is the Sylvania H13 Silver Star Ultra. Why would you buy the Sylvania Silver Star Ultra? For that matter, why would you buy any halogen light? Aren't HIDs better? Aren't LEDs better? Well, yes, but also no. Regardless of all the improvements in the world of HID and LED technology, manufacturers persist in installing halogen lights in the majority of their cars. And why wouldn't they? They're far cheaper and are adequate for the job. It also allows salesmen to charge for pricey extras when you buy a new car. Moving along, here we have the C-Light X2H4 9003 HB2 brightest LED headlight bulbs. High luminous efficacy CSP chips with 15 watts per pair reaches up to 4000 lux per bulb, making them the brightest headlights. Ultra-thin 0.04-inch copper board, reduced glaring to ensure maximum light output, no blinding and dazzles oncoming traffic. Compared with halogen 3200K 100 feet dim visibility X2 LED bulbs owns 6000K cool white light and 1600 feet light range, which makes signs and obstacles can be seen clearly in advance, bringing you a relieved and safe driving experience. The latest LED technology and chips extend the lifespan to 20 years even with 6 hours driving every night, which is equivalent to 180 halogens, freeing you from the trouble of replacement. Intelligent integrated driver and cooling system provide X2H11 headlight bulbs multiple voltage protection. To end with here, we have the Marsauto H13 9008 LED Headlight Bulbs. Advanced LED chips and 360-degree illumination design with 50 watts 12,000 lm per pair. H13 LED lights output enough 6000 K cool white light to give a 300% brightness compared to original factory bulbs, allowing you to see farther for safer driving. H13 9008 LED headlights have undergone rigorous durability tests and have an incredibly service life of more than 50,000 hours for longer-lasting lighting. The robust design makes the headlights completely shock, dust, and weatherproof. Marsauto H13 bulbs are designed with 6063 aluminum alloy heat sink and 12,000 RPM turbo cooling fans built in for high effective dissipation. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.